welcome back. Another Q-Tip Fridays. A lot of people enjoyed the last one, and I'm glad everybody did. Had over probably, I think, 90,000 views, almost 1,000 comments. Crazy. But this week, this topic is called Imagine Living Limitless. Imagine living limitless. Say that 10 times, but you can't say it. Imagine living limitless. It gets crazy. But imagine living limitless is the topic. Very important topic for the most part, because I feel like it opens up your mind a little more. You know what I'm saying? It makes you just think of the possibilities. You know, if all things just changed up a tad bit on how you go about each and everyday life. So I'm pretty sure a lot of people will be able to relate to this right here, all right? So living limitless to me is like saying that you live on your own terms. You know what I'm saying? You do whatever you want to do, however you want to do it, when you want to do it. Doesn't matter. Living limitless, right? So the biggest thing that I've always noticed, right? Like whenever it comes to video games, for example, right? When a person's playing a video game, what do you want to do? Like, what do you plan on accomplishing within that video game? It could be a racing game. In a racing game, you want to, you know, go through the entire career, you know what I'm saying, get championships, you know what I'm saying, reach your full potential inside that game. And let's say NBA 2K, same concept. You want to, you know, go throughout your entire career. You want to have all the great stats, all the great records, go through everything, all right? Football game, same concept. You want to go through the entire career. You want to put in all those days and days and days of hard work to actually get to a certain point that you are at a certain rank, that kind of thing, all right? A tennis game, same thing. A fighting game, you want to beat everybody inside a fighting game to pretty much become the champion. In Grand Theft Auto is a big one too, because Grand Theft Auto is literally like just a life simulation in a sense, right? You can do anything at any point, whatever, fly planes, drive cars, whatever, right? In Grand Theft Auto, you wanna get what? You wanna beat the career. You wanna gain money. You wanna gain respect. You wanna buy different houses in different places. You want to get all kinds of different cars, fix them up, blah blah blah, all kind of shit, right? Imagine having that same energy when it comes to how you deal with yourself in real life. Just imagine that. Imagine how much things that you could actually accomplish if you put the same kind of energy that you put in a video game in your real life. All right? As far as the hours and hours and hours of work playing the game, you can imagine hours and hours and hours of work that you're putting into real life towards a certain craft that you want to actually, you know, get good at. Imagine that. And imagine all those things going on each and every day, and every single body is, you know, under the same mindset. Imagine how much progress can be made. You know what I'm saying? Just imagine. All right? So now, when it comes to living limitless though, I see living limitless as, imagine if you didn't work. Imagine if no one worked, or like, you know, there wasn't that many jobs that imagine people not staying at jobs that they didn't like. That's a better way on how to say it. Imagine people that, you know, they were only at jobs that they liked, but if they didn't like the job, then they wouldn't do it. Living limitless is like, imagine waking up every single day and doing what you love. And every single day is a journey. Just like how in Grand Theft Auto, you would pretty much do whatever you want inside the entire day. your day is based on you. You know what I'm saying? If you want to fly here, then you fly here. If you want to drive there, then you drive there. If you want to do this, then you do this. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's pretty much just everything is literally on your own terms. But imagine doing that each and every day, because I truly feel like to fully enjoy life. Remember, this is my opinion. I never had the mindset that I would have enjoyed life if I'm only spending a portion of my day in doing what I like to do. As far as if I'm working, let's say 9 to 5, I only have probably like 4 or 5 hours to actually do like what I like to do. And every now and again, I have like a vacation, that kind of stuff. I'll probably do like what I want to do. But I'm literally, in my entire lifespan, I'm probably only like living and doing what I want to do maybe 20% or 30% of my entire lifespan. What is that? Imagine now pumping that up to like 80 or 90%. Imagine 90% of your entire lifespan, you're doing exactly what you want to do. Every single day you wake up and just pretty much just go. It doesn't feel like work. It doesn't feel like you're being stressed. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're actually putting in that time and effort towards a certain thing that you fully like to do. And I feel like everybody can actually accomplish that same goal, as far as just, you know, being at a point that they're willing to actually take a risk to, at times, you know, put aside a guarantee paying job to then, you know, hustle and pretty much, you know, make money based off of what they really like to do. That way, I feel like you would actually cherish each and every day that you have on earth. As far as like super, like just, yo, listen, like I woke up this morning, like I had my morning routine. Actually, I took care of some meetings, like towards a certain thing that I'm working on. After that, went to the gym. After that, hung out with some friends. After that, I drove here and hung out with some more friends. I probably went to the beach. After that, probably went out to dinner with some other friends. After that, you know, go home and lay up with your girl and just pretty much just watch Netflix for the rest of the night. That was a good day. And imagine having that same kind of energy towards everything that you do each and every day, versus feeling like just like dreadful, like, yo, I woke up, yeah, man, like I gotta go to work, like I can't hang out with the boys, oh, I can't do this, I can't do that. Just imagine just being able to pretty much do what you love and enjoy doing each and every fucking day. But it's not for the weak. The weak cannot actually withstand having to dig around and find, you know, where that next paycheck is gonna come from. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be super strong-minded to actually, you know, walk into that realm. You know what I'm saying? Because whenever you're on that realm of, you know, establishing that limitless type life, which means doing what you want to do each and every day, it's not going to be easy to actually start up. You know, it's not going to be easy to actually just get inside that realm, because that realm is not for the weak. That realm is definitely hard to actually get to, because there's so many weak-minded people out there that just won't take the risk. And it's perfectly fine. But at the same time, that's where the beauty lies. The beauty lies right where it becomes difficult and hard to actually achieve. Because once you actually achieve that difficult task, that's when you can actually then enjoy the beauty that's on the other side of that stuff right there. As far as the freedom, the financial freedom, the enjoyment of pretty much just living on your own terms. Like, all these things just pretty much is on the other side of just going through that difficult time. But should you even attempt to even, you know, go past that difficult state? I say everyone should try it, because you don't know what you're capable of until you get put in a position that you have to just, like, you know, grind it out and pretty much just, you know, get to that other side. And when you get to that other side, trust me, you look back at it like, yo, listen, like I would have done that shit 10 times over, because it was well worth it. You get me? So that comes to say, like, put your time and effort into something that has that longevity joy. You know what I'm saying? That could actually keep you joy each and every day, each and every hour, and then you don't have to regret anything about it. You know what I'm saying? So that's my pretty much rant. That's my rant for this Friday, Q-Tip Fridays. Hope everyone got some kind of insight from this right here. You know what I'm saying? The same kind of effort that you put into video games and that kind of stuff, put it into real life. You could have that limitless life as well. You know what I'm saying? So I'm catch you guys on the next Q-Tip Fridays. Peace out. Next Friday.